Hey guys, it's Stevie here with Young CEO Squad, and today we're going to be working on the Goal Boss worksheet. But first, setting a goal helps with so many things. For example, when you're playing a maze game like this one, you need to know where the finish is. That's the goal of the game. It helps to know where the goal is when you hit an obstacle. It keeps you headed in the right direction. At the top, let's jot down your name. Then fill in what you're saving for. Is there something you want to buy? Do you want your own spending money? Or maybe you're raising money for charity. The why is important. Why do you want to earn the money? Go ahead, I'll wait. Okay, in this circle, go ahead and write the amount you need to hit your goal. Let's use $50 for our example. Whatever number you write in will be 100% of your goal. Now we can figure out how to make this chart so you can fill it out as your business starts to grow. Step 3, we're almost there. Bring out a calculator and that will help with this next part. In order to figure out what 90% of your goal is, we'll multiply our goals times 0.9. So 50 times 0.9 equals 45. So write 45 in that top bubble. Then let's do 80%. We'll put 50 times 0.8, which is 40. Next, we'll repeat that step with 0.7 for 70. 50 times 0.7 is 35. 50 times 0.6 is 30. And then when you can fill out the next ones using the same process until you get to $5, which will be the first step toward your goal. Each time you hit one of these numbers, highlight it because you're doing a great job and you're climbing that goal ladder. Don't stop now. Watch another video and get more help.